Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google search tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to request for your detail to be removed from Google search result without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google search. Go ahead and click on Google search right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon from the top. And the next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on result about you. Then on getting here, next thing you want to do is to click on more way to remove your info. Click on that. Then you have detail right here. How to remove other types of info from Google search. Result about you can help you find and remove search results that show your contact information, your phone number, home address, and email address, etc. If you want to remove other type of personal info, you can ask to remove it through a different form. Go ahead and click on this link right here and then request for a info remover. If you want to make a removal request for a legal reason, click on here for a legal reason. Click on that and follow the prompt to submit the details about it. Then go ahead and click on here to close the tab. If you have any result info about you, go ahead and click on here to follow it along. Then here we go. Now you can see it right here. It looks like you control this information. Google does not usually approve requests to remove results for your social media pages, blog, and other content that you own, since you can edit them directly to remove unwanted information. But in some cases, you may not have access to some of the social media pages, blogs, and other content as the case may be. It is now left to you that you ask for a detail request form right here. So go ahead and click on detail reform. So go ahead and click on detail request form right here and fill up the detail. And then Google is going to remove every result, every search result about you that expose details about you that you no longer want to appear on Google search engine again. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use Google search, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.